Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with a thank you video for my subscribers. Now, I want to give a special thank you for all of you that has donated towards my channel. The request was made, and even though the request was made, I've gotten some nasty people, nasty comments asking me why do I need to be asking for money and blah blah blah. Well, the thing is this, you guys. Although you see me here pushing videos, helping you guys to get on your weight loss journey, helping you guys to lose weight, it still takes money to get these videos out. And when you're working with equipment that is really breaking down at you, but you're trying to continue helping others, but I do it because my nature is to help other people. And when I made the requesting donations, not demanding, but just requesting, you guys have really been coming through with the donations. Now, I haven't gotten to the point where I'm able to make major purchases. Like right now, I'm trying to get another computer because my computer, if you see what's going on with my computer, where the keyboard is missing some numbers, some letters, and I gotta use my external keyboard just to get those letters in there, just to be able to bring you a video, you would understand why I'm saying this. As well as upgrading other things like my camera, whatever is necessary. But I just want to give a special thank you out, and I want to shout you out as well, okay? I want to shout out Esther Brooks. You have made my day with your $100 donation. You don't know how much that touched my heart today when I saw that. You have truly blessed me. Today I had to make this video because of the fact that you have really touched my heart with that donation, and I thank you so much. It is being put towards a computer, so it is not being touched yet until I get to that amount where I'm able to upgrade my equipment. Another person I'd like to shout out is Teresa Ikon. Teresa, thank you so much for your $30 donation. I appreciate you so much. Another person I want to also shout out is Empress Collection. Thank you so much for your $5 donation. I appreciate you so much. And another person I'd like to shout out is Marquita McCoy. Marquita, thank you so much for your $5 donation. And also, I want to shout out L. McFarlane. You have truly been a blessing as well with your $5 donation. And I've also received, I'm looking at my phone, you guys. I've also received on my Cash App $2. Janet Young. Okay, Jeanette Young, thank you so much for your $2 donation. Listen, you guys, I appreciate everything you're doing to help me with this channel, to help build this brand, and so that I can continue making videos for you guys. I've gotten really nasty comments with people saying, you're already making money from YouTube, and I don't understand why you're demanding money from your subscribers, blah, blah, blah. Well, like I said, you guys, it's a donation. It's me asking you to help me out, okay? It takes money to make these videos. It takes time and effort as well as ingredients to make these videos. And I've never, in the 3 years that I've been making these videos, have I ever asked for help from you guys. But when my computer started acting kind of crazy, I said, you know what? Each one can help one, you know. And I have over 100K subscribers, so if each of you were to even donate $1, that would have been a blessing as well. Alright, but I thank the ones that did. And I appreciate you so much. And I pray that I get more help Okay, that some of you would see this video and even say, you know what, let me help this sister out. Because like I said, if you could see my equipment setup right now, you'd be like, yo, she really does need some help. All right, but regardless of what, until the wheels fall off of it, I'm going to continue pushing these videos out and making my way through regardless. All right, but I just wanted to come back on here to really let you know that I appreciate each and every one of you that has donated, that are going to donate. You know, it's not easy, and I understand that, but I appreciate everything you're doing for me, for this channel, for this YouTube family community that we have. I call you my loyalty squad because you've been loyal to me as subscribers, coming forth, you know, supporting the channel, watching the videos, making comments, and I appreciate you. So just so that you know that your donations are not going unnoticed, I wanted to thank you all for everything that you're doing to help me out, all right? And I thank you so much, you guys. Continue, you guys, checking those links down below. I'm still in need, you guys. I'm still in need. So I thank you all. Continue checking out the links. If you're able to donate, I appreciate it. I thank you so much for it. If not, that's okay too. So I just want to thank you again for all of you that have donated. And I want to thank you in advance for those of you who are going to donate, all right? Thank you so much, you guys. And until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.